So I grabbed these bandanas from the dollar store, and I got 5 blue and 4 red and white. And once I had the bandana out of the package, I unfolded the entire thing and laid it down on my cutting mat. And I cut the bandana right down the center crease there. Now I did this for every color. So now I have 10 blue pieces, and then 8 red and 8 white pieces. And then I grabbed this 14-inch metal wreath frame, and you can grab these right from the dollar store too. And I started with one of the white bandana pieces, and I folded that in half. And then I put my hand through the top loop there and wrapped it around the wreath frame, grabbing the ends of the bandana and pulling it through the loop. And once it was through, I just pulled it as tight as I could. And then you can just fluff up the ends of the bandana there. And I basically just repeated this process between the white and the red bandanas. Now I did the red and white until I had 2 of the sections on the wreath frame left, and I switched over to the blue. And I did that entire section all blue. And now once my wreath frame was completely covered, I found this God Bless America sign. It was $3.99. And I painted the entire thing using Antique Villa from Wise Owl Paint. Now the sign came from Hobby Lobby, so don't forget to use your 40% off coupon. And once that was dry, I took some painter's tape and I taped around the entire word bless. And then using some Republic Red from Wise Owl Paint, I just did a dry brush of the red over just the word bless. And once all my paint was dry, I took a 220 grit sandpaper and just gave it a nice sanding. Using some Mod Podge and a small art brush, I brushed the Mod Podge just on the star, and I dumped some fine gold glitter on top of that. And I did the same exact thing to the other star. Now you can paint these stars any color you want or do silver glitter even. And then there's 2 holes at the top there, and I used some clear zip ties to hold my God Bless America sign to my wreath. And there you go. Now we have this really easy, patriotic God Bless America wreath that you can hang from your front door. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com, and you can check out some other tutorials on our YouTube channel. We hope you have a great day.